The number of diagonals drawn from one vertex of a polygon of n sides is, means understand the problem first. First, what is a polygon? Polygon means any figure which is a closed figure and which has three sides or more. So triangle is also a polygon, but there can be a diagonal in triangle. That's why we have not taken that. Now let's start with the four sides, that is quadrilateral. How many diagonals are there? One. From one vertex only. See here, there can be one diagonal from here also. But what we want from one vertex. From one vertex, only one. Okay. Similarly for this six sides, there are six sides in this hexagon. And how many triangles? From here, diagonals from here to here, here to here, here to here. Here to here is not a diagonal, it becomes a side. Okay, so how many diagonals? Three. Here, six sides, three diagonals. Four sides, one diagonal. Here, pentagon. Five sides, one diagonal from here, one diagonal from here. You can't have these sides as diagonals. Okay, so five sides, two diagonals. Can you see the difference? 4 minus 1, 6 minus, 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Means if you subtract 3 from the number of sides, you get the number of diagonals. So the answer is n minus 3.